Hello guys, welcome back to Top Home Guide. Today I am going to talk in this video about best clamps that you should buy. Let's do started. Top 5 Best Clamps. Woodworking clamps are essential tools for home use and professional projects. Anyone who works with wood will benefit from using a woodworking clamp. A woodworking clamp has super strong jaws that tightly grip onto a workbench and a workpiece like a vise so that your chosen item stays securely in position. Once you have attached the clamps, stain the wood with a beautiful wood stain. Number 5. Tack Life 2 Pieces Single Handle 90 Degrees Right Angle Clamp. The 90 degrees right angle clamp is made of high-quality aluminum alloy material with a structural rib design, ensures the durability of the tool itself. Main features: aluminum alloy and long-lasting, sufficient clamping range, ergonomic design. Number 4. DIY Metal Home Tools Space-Saving Press Clamp. The clip bed is made of cast aluminum alloy. The yellow chuck is made of engineering plastics. It is clamped firmly as a rubber suction cup. It has strong adsorbability. Main features: rubber bottom suctions, durable and portable, lightweight. Number 3. Can't Twist 421 Deep Throat Jaw Opening Clamp. Provides new freedom of movement. Eliminates distorting and twisting action of conventional clamps. Copper-plated jaws and screws are ideal for welding. Main features: made of high-tensile steel, free-floating jaws, multi-purpose clamps. Number 2. Bassi Cray 1252K Body Clamp Twin Pack. This versatile clamp can be used on different faces at all times. The jaws faces stay parallel. The 2017 KRE clamp. Additional pressure can be applied to the handle. Main features: metal reinforced plastic, 1250 mm clamping capacity, comfortable application. Number 1. 60 Pieces Cable Clamps Assortment Kit. Vigru clamps are made of 304 premium stainless steel material and high-quality rubber cushioned, salt-resistant, anti-rust, anti-corrosion, waterproof. Main features: high-quality clamps, wide application, stylish design. Thanks for watching. To receive every update, please subscribe and click the bell icon below. For more information about this products, check the video description.